His name is Frank James. That is what he said. Always call me on video call. Them a scammer, them a thief, them a wicked.
Blessed day viewers and subscribers, welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, in another video guys, we're going to talk about this man here. I can't use a name because the man here on the screen is a fraud. He is a scammer, yeah. So what him do now, go around, meet people, and when he meet them online, him be them friend for a couple of weeks, send them video call, talk to them nice. You know, then he promise you say man send you some stuff. And when he promise you say man send you some stuff that get to your head, then now when if you go pick up the stuff, you have to go pay a piece of food. Yeah, piece of money. You have to go pay a piece of money if you get all of these things. We make only see on the screen now, you understand? And then now when you send the money now, I just grab you. And just take your money and you will never live forget nothing like this way I see on your screen. So ladies, beware of this man, please. No for no, but you know one foreign man, it's too good to be true. How can you go get something from somebody and you have to pay so much money? There's also a picture with all money. Look there. As a whole heap of US dollar that how much at 50,000 US dollar that. So you have to go pay 1,000 or 2,000 US dollar if you go collect 50,000 and package your laptop and yo, may I talk too much? May I make you listen? Listen.
Good afternoon, Damien. MIXUP boss. This is one of the reasons why I say me no want no foreign man. Me a Jamaican. Me no want no man from foreign. Whether I'm a Jamaican man or I'm a foreign man, them a thief, them a liar, and them wicked. Tell you something. Earlier on this year, that guy that you see that I sent the picture, his name is Frank James. That is what he said. Always call me on video call. Them a scammer, them a thief, them a wicked. If me did fall, you see the girl, I don't know if you see the news on TVJ with the foreign man, them with the woman spend call almost time in then tell the woman to go pay for package and whatever it may be, and she go pay for fall. She are one of the one we fall victim. But I not fall victim. God, you see God people, God children them always have to have vision. That's why he say we must have vision, so we must can see, we mustn't blind. Cause God people them no blind. And that's Frank James. And when he called me, as me say something randomly, I don't know if I'm my friend that is in America. Cause me never get to call my friend, but me block this guy from my phone, and that is all the goodies that he sent come. You see the ring, the this, the that, me no wear jewels, me no wear makeup or anything. I'm just a natural woman. Not even here, me no perm me hair anymore. Me grow up me hair natural, so me go natural. So you see, a lot of these men, that's the reason why me say, if I'm looking a husband, and by God's will, if I to get that person off your program, then fine. But if not, me no want, me stay by myself. I used to it by myself. And as me say, when this guy show me all of these goodies that he sent for me and everything like that, and he tell me say when the package come, must me go pay or whatever it may be. Me say when the person call me the morning, me say look here, I'll tell you something. I have to go to work, and because of you, now go make me last one day for work. So you hear what you do. You see the package that you send for me, if me have to pay for it, then you shouldn't send it because me never beg you nothing. Me say me never beg you nothing. And if you say you're going to send something come give me, then you should have paid all of the overhead costs, and then me only going to receive it. And you don't know me that much, so how you going to send so much money come give me? So guess the thing what I'm not only Jamaican, but foreigner thief too. And me don't want no long distance relationship. I must in a Jamaica where me can drive go, or the person can drive come, and me don't want them. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful and a blessed day now.
So, that are the evidence, and these are no make-up story. You understand? You hear what she said? She saying go by the name. When you hear the name, I don't even want to repeat the name because name is something easy to change, so it doesn't make any sense. But you just have to be on the lookout, ladies. No make no man. This video is to inform you. No make no man tell you say them are saying this and that. Only thing, I'm going to heads up. Only thing a man can send, come a Jamaica and he can pay money if he clear it, a barrel. You understand? Because bad to bad, you can link down a wharf or call him, ask him if there is a barrel for whatever. You understand? Yeah, and you can know, so yeah, the barrel is there, so you can pay the money if you clear it. You understand? But otherwise from that, we don't fall fool to them. Look at scamming game about go on in the world now. You understand? So, and a Jamaican alone a scam as well, lady say. Everybody in it, whether brown, black, Indian, no matter which race. You understand? Just imagine if you pay 2,000 and if you get 50,000. What is sense in that? So why would you send the money through Western Union, little, or MoneyGram? You know what? Yeah, guys, put a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. But I can watch something else meanwhile. Voilà. Yeah, guys, I don't want to know good phone case. See, boss, yeah. Everything 13 Pro, everything 14. You see me, everything there. Just buy a 13 Pro for him. You have a good wallet, them too. Said we. Yeah, man, real youth in the street. Belt. You see me? I have a look a bike and them thing. The police are not bother you with the green plate. So you have to deal with it. Yeah, man, get it, because we don't want to take away your goods or something. The youth could have on the road a thief or do anything else. The man there with him bag, see goods them, real hustler guy, so I don't know. So then, good thing. We don't highlight foolishness, we highlight positivity. You see me? But show my friend. If they want to link up on the case, your number go.
209.
Yeah?
1858.
209?
1858.
1858.
Yeah.
Alright, so don't know. Alright. Big up yourself, my G.
Yeah.
Fully.
Over the world.
Yes, guys, see me, I'm there with the boss himself, see me. How this? Yellow for TikTok people.
Blessed. Yellow.
Who are yellow?
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you're big fan TikTok now, no?
Yeah, cool.
So you can tell our thanks. Just a lady in Canada, thanks.
Lady in Canada?
Yeah.
Very thanks.
Very thanks. Oh, your number is. Alright. Don't tell. No, man, not cry, uncle. Oh, God, man. You make me want to cry. Yeah. They say you're not 82. They don't believe. Tell them to share your band, because they don't believe.
1940, the 8th of July.
1940, the 8th of July.
1940, the 8th of July.
Alright, you always see him. Hold up that in your hand, make them see.
Always have me share my hair fresh.
I sell.
Fight to survive.
Fight to survive, don't
Yes, yeah, man.
People and say I smile.
Thanks.
One girl them love you, I see girl and say I'm cutie. They look so nice. I mean I say
The
yeah.
one from
They
Monty.
love your teeth and so.
Yeah, man, the one from Montego Bay saying want to see me live.
You want to see you live.
I'm
Jesus.
come up here to see me.
I hope she not come take you away, no.
Yes.
Hope she not come take you away at all.
I true,
Yeah man, I'm glad to see you man. I hear the thing.
Yeah, man.
Alright, TikTok people I boss that so.
Yeah.
I don't know, big up on yourself. Alright, soon in our next video. I'm
Yes,
out.
yeah.
Yeah.